Hello everyone, joyful baby on the board. I say make I bring una come my makeup divine. I call you makeup divine. Even when my kids were small, I cannot do it because their hand go they make pin 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 pin. But now when they don't grow, my last born is 10 years now. I just settled down and maintain my divine. You see, this place is my winter makeup, and no, this place is my summer makeup, and here is my winter makeup. Let me tell you about makeup. Makeup is a thing of choice, and makeup is a thing personal. The round face is different from the V face. The V face cannot do the makeup of the round face because they are two different things. And secondly, the dark person and the light person, they are two different persons. They can't use the same colors. I am fair, I am light in complexion, but not that fair. But I know the type of color that suits to me. Anyway, all depends on where you are going to. If you are going to work, let your makeup be cool. And if you are going to church, let your makeup be cool also. When you are going to party, pop it out. And if you are going to night party, let the makeup pop a lot and shine a lot at the night. But you are going to the daytime, you also allow the makeup pop a lot, but not as the night makeup. And makeup is a thing personal. You cannot do the makeup of the advanced woman if you are young. When you are advanced, you can't do the makeup of the young people because they are two different things. It will shape you. And let me take you to where I'm going to is like now. These are two colors right now. Two colors. This is a summer lipstick. You can use it in the winter. And this is a winter lipstick. You can't use it in the summer. No, because they are two different colors. You see? But this one is Via Mesa. You can use it at summer. You can use it at winter. You see the three? They are three different things. And you see this three lipstick, it's good for the fair person, the dark person, and the light, the chocolate person, and the light person. So where am I going to? You see this blush? This blush is for the summertime. Very good for the dark and the white person, the fair person. And you see this brush is for the winter. But you can still use it at the summer, all depend where you are going to. But you see this brush, wow, we can use this on winter time, and all depend on where you are going to. Then you see this eyeshadow is natural. I love this eyeshadow because I like my makeup to be natural. Why am I saying all this? I want to let you know that makeup is a personal thing. You see here, I have the eyeshadow for the winter. No, sorry to say, I have the fondant for the winter and the fondant for the summer. And I have the what is it called, primer for the winter and primer for the summer, because the summertime we tend to sweat a lot. So the summer primer will help you to still dry the face. But in the winter time, the primer you use, it will moisturize your face so that your face will be very, very moisturized. I hope we all learn from this. I don't want to go too much, but know that makeup is a big personal thing. Bye-bye. Please don't forget to share me ads. Don't forget to subscribe and click the notification bell. Anytime I upload a new video, you will be the first person to get it back. And secondly, if I want to tell you, this is how I clean my makeup. I clean it every week because I know some of those are getting on it. I get on it. Bye bye. Follow me on Instagram. That is where I place the makeup I sell. Bye bye. Joyful Baby Care on Instagram and Joyful Baby Care on YouTube. On Facebook, Arebu Joyful Baby Care. One love. Let's support each other for good things, not for bad things. Bye bye.